Alright guys, so I just caught I just found a butterfly under a, um a rocking chair. Now it's just airing out his wings. Here, let me move back so it won't like. Oh my god, they're so cool. Oh my god. Yeah, I gotta send this to my mom though. See what she says. Oh my god.
Try to get it in the black background. Then you bring yourself over here. Bring yourself over here. Now, when you take the picture, see the black background's going to be there. It's going to frame it. That makes sense?
Mm-hmm.
Oops. And see how often do you see that bag on top of it?
Not all of it.
Wait a minute. I'm trying to get that light in the right spot. There. If I do it here, I'd get... There, I got the light on it. So now come over here and try it so you get it on the side of the house. Now delete the ones you don't like. Do you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Keep coming over here. Where's your buddy, huh? Side again, isn't it? There you go, kiddo. How's that for magic on your first day at camp?
It's
Camp
cool.
Renner. You have the gardenia to smell? Jungle to walk through?
Now this is true summer. guys, that's a butterfly right there. Morning butterfly. Let me get away so this beautiful. You know, like, oh my God, guys, that's so. Guys, remember to like and subscribe this video. See if this butterfly starts to fly away. Oh, you know what?